Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Bookmarked. अगर आप यहाँ नए हैं, please like, share and subscribe. So guys, we are all set to leave for Vietnam. We are at the Melbourne airport at the moment. It's really crowded and busy, but we are heading to the first city called Da Nang. Our flight had a 3-hour stopover at Malaysia airport and then we headed to Da Nang. To go to Vietnam, there's a very simple visa procedure that we do. मैं link description में डाल दूंगी. You just have to go to that link, fill a form, आपका photo, passport size photo and a passport copy आपको upload करनी है and about in a week you get your visa. We reached Da Nang and we are heading out. The immigration line was a bit huge, but from there we came out and we took a taxi. That's where we made a mistake, that we took a taxi and costed us a lot. So I'll definitely suggest you to take a Grab and then go anywhere in this city. Otherwise, taxi costs a lot. For this particular city, we stayed in Hotel Royal Hoi An. This particular brand is associated with Accor and Gallery, and the best thing I liked about this room was कि ये पूरा room, the way it was decored, was inspired by the old king and queen living in this particular town when they were ruling this particular town. So it had such a beautiful Japanese inspiration look, and the best thing about this particular hotel was कि हमारा pool view था, and इसका pool सबसे खूबसूरत है. And other than that, the hotel offered a lot of other things if you wanna do, and that's why we chose this hotel and will definitely recommend you. Being 5-star as well, it didn't cost a lot because Vietnam में हर चीज़ इतनी महंगी नहीं है, because it's very reasonable if you convert their money. I also personally think that if a currency is less than your particular currency, then you should live in a good 5-star hotel, because then you can get a cheap deal out of it and you're not paying as much but enjoying luxury. Whereas if you go to Europe or any other country, then you're paying more for it, which you might not even find worth it. Here's the thing I would like to mention definitely. जैसे ही हम एयरपोर्ट के बाहर आए, हमारे पास बहुत सारे लोग आए to offer taxi and we took the taxi and we headed. हमें रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ कि वो टैक्सी कॉस्ट कितना करेगी, क्योंकि जब हम उन्हें पूछते थे वो कहते मीटर्स जाएंगे. एंड व्हेन वी रीच्ड टू आवर होटल, हमें उन्होंने 600K पे करने के लिए. And we that time thought maybe that's the rate. But when we came in and we asked the receptionist, she said it doesn't cost more 300K. And we realized that how big mistake that was. And hence we traveled for the rest of our trip only through Grab, because it was giving reasonable and decent rate. So now we've come out of a hotel. That's a hotel which is very close to canal, and if you walk a little bit or right turn मारो तो night market और सारे boat rides वहाँ से शुरू होते हैं. So it's very like 10-15 minutes walk का ही difference था, ज़्यादा नहीं था. And we thought that it was a very reach out place to be, and today we just enjoyed the hotel ambience, the rooftop bar and the other things, because it was a hectic day. We traveled all day, so we thought we'll just rest, and next day we had a lot of things planned which we are planning to do in Hoi An. कहते हैं Hoi An एक टाइम पे जापानीज़ पीपल के द्वारा ऑक्यूपाइड किया गया था, इसलिए इसके इधर बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो जापानीज़ इंस्पायर्ड है. इसलिए आप लैंटर्न्स बहुत देखते हैं, उनकी जो चीज़ें बनी हुई है जैसे जापानीज़ ब्रिज एंड ऑल, वो सब इसलिए बना है क्योंकि एक टाइम पे दे वर रूल्ड बाय देम. नेक्स्ट डे हो चुका है और अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. नॉर्मली ब्रेकफास्ट वुड कॉस्ट समथिंग अबाउट दैट मच वियतनामीज डोंग, बट हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट इंक्लूडेड था, सो वी डिडंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. सो वुड रेकमेंड यू टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट इंक्लूडेड इन योर पैकेज. Now, I'm not sure how many of you are vegetarian, but मैं mainly vegetarian food खाती हूँ. बहुत कम मैं नॉनवेज खाती हूँ. नॉनवेज में मैं चिकन खाती हूँ, बहुत पिकी हूँ उस पर लेके. तो जब मैं अब्रॉड ट्रैवल करती हूँ, स्पेशल एशियन कंट्री ट्रैवल करती हूँ, तो मैं चिकन हमेशा अवॉइड करती हूँ. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम शोइंग यू दिस बफे. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन टू हैव वेजिटेरियन फूड, जैसे फ्रूट्स हो गया, वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, देन सॉटेड वेजिटेबल्स थे, देयर समटाइम्स नूडल्स एज वेल. और बेकरी सेक्शन में वेयर देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वॉफल्स एंड pancakes and huge bread selection that was a good option for vegetarians to have. और अगर आपको कोई और भी चाहिए होता तो आप रिक्वेस्ट कर दे तो वो आपके लिए डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ बंदोबस्त कर देते थे, बिकॉज द सर्विस वॉज रियली गुड एंड दे वर रियली देयर टू हेल्प यू. बट ऑप्शंस ही इतने थे कि आपको शायद ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी बोलने के लिए, बिकॉज देयर वर अमेरिकन ब्रेकफास्ट एज वेल, देयर वॉज एशियन breakfast as well, so there were a lot of things that you can actually have. So after having this heavy breakfast, we decided to head to Coconut Village. Coconut Village is a ride in a boat which is shaped like coconut. ऐसे boat round तरह की shape की होगी जहाँ पे आप ride ले सकते हैं और coconut farm देख सकते हैं. यहाँ का एक different type का coconut है जो पानी के बीचों बीच grow करता है, and that you can see. We called a grab and we took a grab to head there. It cost 76,000 dong. And वहाँ जाके when you enter, they take you to right inside where the the agent who actually takes care of it, not sure what are they called, but the biggest thing that happened over there was जब हम enter किए उसने हमसे कहा, so she told us that she's gonna charge us 300k per person for the ride, but then we negotiated and said we want for 2 people 300k, and she ended up saying yes for 400k for 2 people for 40 minutes ride. So you can definitely negotiate here, people. Don't hold back. Negotiate as much as you can because they know that you are a tourist, so they'll definitely bargain with you. We also had an option to take 30 minutes or 40 minutes ride, so we chose 40 minutes ride and we head there. While we were in there, they did offer us to wear those caps that they are wearing right now, the cone जैसे जो उनके traditional caps है वो. Actually वो caps were quite beneficial because इतनी गर्मी थी और वो cap की वजह से कम थोड़ा सा covering मिल रहा था, which was actually good. और अगर आप नहीं पहना चाहते, please carry your own cap with you or an umbrella just to cover from sun because it's too hot. ये जो बाजू में आप पेड़ देख रहे हैं वो पेड़ coconut trees है. It's not like a coconut जो आप देखते हैं normally. It's a very different style of coconut that grows here. Unfortunately we couldn't see क्योंकि उन लोग ने already सारे काट दिए थे तो हमें दिखने नहीं मिले. But this is a very different type of coconut that grows here, which they come and they harvest every time. So ये इसी तरह जगह पे उगते हैं और वहीं पे ये पूरी सी लेक में ये लोग टूर देते हैं आपको. So a bit further down when you go in, they have this place जहाँ पे एक बंदा बीच में आ जाता है and he'll collect all the boats who are riding coming in, and he will put up a show where he'll dance on that boat and you can see the show and you can give them tip as well. At the same time they will offer you if you want to sit in that same boat and do it, and they take about 1 million to do it, and you can still negotiate on that as well. Like वो 100,000 में मार जाएंगे अगर आपको बैठना हो, but we preferably didn't do it just because we were thinking कि हमें कहीं चक्कर वक्कर ना आ जाए. But this is the reason we didn't do it. But it's fun if someone likes to do it. You can do it and you can negotiate it over there. आप definitely वो price मत दीजिएगा जो वो मांग रहे हैं. But yeah, tip them because I'm sure these people are working really hard. The rider also gave us an option to go stand on one of those broken branches and take some pictures. He even helped taking some of our pictures. So ये option सबको दिया जाता है. वहाँ बहुत सारे ऐसे spot थे जहाँ खड़े के pictures ले सकते हैं. कुछ bridges तो बनाए गए थे pictures लेने के लिए. So you have a lot of options. So they know the lot of tourists that comes and takes pictures. So this is one of the famous spot which I would recommend to definitely come and do it, and wouldn't cost a lot. Exactly how that lady is standing is how an option to take pictures as well. That's what they give. So आप ऐसे खड़े होके pictures भी ले सकते हैं. And there are a lot of other options. So we headed back and had some coconut water over there because it was really hot, and the coconut water had some malai as well in it. Of course ये हमें extra cost किया local market से क्योंकि ये इस particular spot था, but it was really tasty. Now we are headed back to the hotel. थोड़ा relax करने का सोचा और हमने सोचा यहाँ का spa explore करते थे. The spa was nice as well. So we came and saw the spa treatments what they offer. Later in the day, we do have few things planned as well. So we headed for Marble Mountain by the end of the evening around 4:30, which is about another 40 minutes drive. तो हमारा pickup tour में included था. ये tour हमने Viator से ली थी, and the whole tour had Marble Mountain and the evening boat ride included. Reach Marble Mountain. So Marble Mountain में भी एक option है कि अगर आपको वो steps नहीं चढ़ना, which is 140 steps to get up there, क्योंकि गर्मी इतनी थी, humidity इतनी थी, आपको ये option दिया जाता है कि आप lift से 15,000 dong देके जा सकते हैं, which is very cheap price. So we decided to go by lift. Lift के लिए भी अच्छी खासी line थी, तो we stood in that line, and the tour guide helped us get the tickets as well. Now we've reached on the top of the lift. This is where the Marble Mountain starts. We are right on that height. सो राइट एट एंट्री पे जब हम एंटर करते हैं एक बुद्धा टेम्पल है. बुद्धा टेम्पल का सिर्फ नीचे का पोर्शन खुला था, बाकी के 6 पोर्शंस नहीं खुले थे. So there were 7 floors, and the reason there were 7 floors is because Buddha believed in 7 steps of moksha, and that's why these temples were made into 7 floors, and every floor has its own purpose and reason why it is. You can definitely go into the temple if you would like. It choice is yours. Now this particular place was inspired by the fact कि बुद्धा के लिए इंसान जानवर सब एक समान थे. तो जब वो बात करते थे वो सबसे करते थे, वो टीच करते थे, वो सबको करते थे. And that's why when you see, you can see lot of humans, animals, they all were there listening to him, and that's how it was inspired and made. And then we headed more further up there जहाँ पे another 100 steps हमें लेने थे to get up to the caves. एक और केव है जो ज़्यादा अंदर है. अंदर जाके there is like another Buddha statue which you can lit up some incense sticks if you like. One thing is for sure guys, थोड़ा स्टेमिना लेके आना क्योंकि चढ़ते 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 जान आधी हो जाने वाली है, जो हमारी हो गई थी यहाँ पर. So the whole purpose of Marble Mountain is कि वहाँ जगह जगह caves है, बुद्धा के temples हैं, and the most amazing temple and the most known temple is this cave called Lady Buddha Cave, where we are heading to right now. Honestly, गर्मी और चढ़ते चढ़ते जाते हुए इतना हालत ख़राब हो गई थी, but when we went to that cave, the view was amazing and it felt worth it. Now आप सबने हमेशा बुद्धा सुना होगा, बुद्धा के स्टैचूज देखे होंगे, लेकिन आप में से कभी किसी ने लेडी बुद्धा नहीं सुना होगा. This is the first time even I am listening to this कि एक लेडी बुद्धा भी है और जिनका स्टैचू मार्बल माउंटेन के केव के बीचों बीच है. This is the biggest cave Marble Mountain has and one of the famous spot which you can see in a lot of pictures out there. So this is where it is और यही मेन स्पॉट है इस जगह का. यहाँ पे लेडी बुद्धा स्टैचू है जिन्हें ये लोग बिलीव करते हैं और प्रे भी करते हैं. और जब आप फर्दर इन जाते हैं, देयर आर फ्यू मोर अदर स्टैचूज विच वर देयर, थोड़े टेम्पल टाइप बनाया था और उन्हें प्रे भी करते थे. सो द मोस्ट राइट temple was the temple of love, god of love. Then there was a temple of god of prosperous. Then there was temple of god of trade, god of wealth, queen god. So, बहुत सारे gods थे जो जिन्होंने जब रूल किया तब वहाँ पे उनका टेम्पल एस्टैब्लिश किया. सो इट्स ब्यूटिफुल क्योंकि केव के एकदम बीचों बीच में है एंड इट्स वेरी प्रिटी. Now during World War a lot of things was destroyed in Vietnam, but with time वो restore भी किया गया था. And you'll see lot of other temples which are either Chinese inspired or Japanese inspired, is because every time वहाँ पे कोई ना कोई रूल करने आता था, वो उस तरह का अपना impression छोड़ के जाता था. And that's why it's so much mixed culture. This is the topmost view from Marble Mountain where you can come and take pictures from, and then we are going to head to Lantern boat ride in Hoi An, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.